Alright, today we're going to test another Amazon amp. This is I'm not even sure I want to say that, Facmogu. And this is rated at 1500 RMS at 1 ohm. And that's the box it came in, the wrapper, the bag. There's the amp. That's roughly 14 by 9. Says 6800 watts on the amp. I'm sure that's, peak watts, whatever. And we have a gain, a low pass 40 to 180, subsonic off to 50. Bass boost that's adjustable 30 to 80 and 0 to 12 dB. And on this side we have 1.0 inputs with Slick Willy trusty 10 gauge CCA and some pretty good sized 4 speaker outs. And today we are wired at 14.2 volts on alligator clips as usual to the lithium banks, in addition to my under desk batteries. So we're wired that to the Machete Light R in the Iron Man box that is ported, and that is leaking at the speaker output cup. So let's get a little music. Alright, it did pretty good for 4 ohms. Let's see, what was that? What was that supposed to be? 600 at 4 ohms. Yeah. I can't remember. I can't remember. Somebody did a dyno on the Wudi, which I guess is, they say that's the same thing. And I don't remember. I think it did do the 1500 rated. If not, I don't remember. But yeah, so not bad. Now earlier, I actually had, this is my second video. Earlier this thing was in protect the minute you turned it on. Don't know what that was about. So I disconnected it entirely, let it sit for 10 minutes, and came back and it was fine. So I don't know about that. But it works and performed good. Didn't get warm at all. So there you go. The there, I'll let you say it. That's what we did. That's it. Have a good day.